Steps to get your free online Kundali horoscope. 1. Gather your birth details. To generate a Kundali, you need date of birth, exact date you were born. Time of birth, exact or approximate time of birth. Place of birth, city or town of birth. 2. Choose a reliable website. Select a website that offers free Kundali generation with clear explanations and easy-to-read charts. 3. Enter your birth details. Go to the section for Kundali birth chart generation. Enter your date, time, and place of birth. Click to generate your Kundali. The website will create your chart in seconds. 4. Explore your Kundali. You'll see a chart with symbols and planetary positions. Generally, most Kundalis look similar to the example shown above. However, for a non-astrologer, it is often very difficult to understand what the different signs and symbols represent. That is why I am starting free classes today to help you learn how to read and interpret your Janam Kundali in Vedic Astrology. This square is divided into 12 small boxes, and each of these boxes is called a house. Every house represents a different area of your life, such as career, family, health, marriage, and so on. The very first house is called the Lagna or ascendant. This is your rising sign at the exact time of your birth, and it sets the foundation for your personality, appearance, and the way you interact with the world. From the Lagna, we count the houses in an anticlockwise direction. So the box right next to Lagna becomes your second house, the next one is the third house, and we continue counting all the way around until we return to the 12th house. Each house is unique and holds specific meanings. As we move forward in our lessons, we'll learn in detail what each of these houses represents and how the planets placed in them shape your life. This is a chart in your horoscope. This square has 12 boxes called houses. Lagna is your first house, and then count the house anticlockwise. Now we will fill rashis in each house. There are 12 rashis, and each rashi has a number and a lord. The numbers we see in our birth charts are rashis, not the house number, as I showed you the houses with numbers only to teach you which is first house and second house and so on. We have 9 planets and 12 rashis. Rashis are the division of circular path in universe, which is of 360 degree. So each rashi has a path of 30 degree. Each rashi is ruled by a planet because planets are less and rashis are more, so sometimes 2 rashis are ruled by 1 planet. Now the planets move in these rashis. Here sun and moon are also the planets, and they move along other planets. Astrology is a science developed by rishis and munit, who had a lot of time to observe and study the stars in the sky. They developed a method in which they related a child's birth with these planets, and then found many predictions. In this way, after lakhs of years' hard work, they made it a subject which is almost near to truth. So astrology almost predicts the future, but remember, not 100%. Rashi number 1 is Aries and its lord is Mars. Rashi number 2 is Taurus and its lord is Venus. Rashi number 3 is Gemini and its lord is Mercury. Rashi number 4 is Cancer and its lord is Moon. Rashi number 5 is Leo and its lord is Sun. Rashi number 6 is Virgo and its lord is again Mercury. Rashi number 7 is Libra and its lord is again Venus. Rashi number 8 is Scorpio and its lord is again Mars. Rashi number 9 is Sagittarius and its lord is Jupiter. Rashi number 10 is Capricorn and its lord is Saturn. Rashi number 11 is Aquarius and its lord is again Saturn. Rashi number 12 is Pisces and its lord is again Jupiter.